And before I do this next step, you may be wondering, what were all those screws there for? Well, that's how much I had to float it. About almost a quarter to 5/16 on down to nothing, because these were going the wrong direction. And so I put a couple screws in before. If you didn't see those videos, you know, I explain all that stuff, but if you didn't see it, I put a couple screws in as long as my level was, and then I went from here to there with my level. You know, I put these other ones in, then set my level on them, and then went from one point to the end point, and then adjusted these other ones, and I did that along here, so that this is all very straight, and I use those screws as my straight edge. See here, they're at this step 2. Remember, I did the first top 2 steps, and I put an angle on them, but I didn't have to replace all of these other steps. I went ahead with this method, and I floated these steps out. Now I'm going to leave those screws there, so I know when I get ready over here, I'm going to be hitting some screws, and I'm going to have to be real careful with that as I go to formalize my game plan. All right, let's do it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And maybe when I'm not running the video camera as I'm doing this, I should wear a dust mask, because I'm feeling it all down my throat and all the way down into my lungs. So when you're working, goggles, earplugs, gloves, and if need be, a dust mask. See you next time.